This is the solution of the worksheet number 2 for grade 4, semester 1. In this worksheet, we have covered the phonics lesson about short A and short I. The genre was fairy tale, and the vocabulary words are flattened, frantically, muttered, gracious, stale, official, original, brainstorm. The lesson that we read was the dragon problem. The essential question during this week is, where do good ideas come from? We have already discussed the 3 ways. These are by accident, brainstorming, or observation. This is an easy question. Circle true or false for each vocabulary word. It is gracious to hold the door for someone. If you remember, we said gracious means kind. So do you think this is gracious to hold the door for someone? Of course it is, and the answer is true. Number 2, most people prefer to eat stale bread. Now we said that stale means not fresh. It also means old. So do you think people or most people would like to eat old bread? The answer is false, because people would normally love to eat fresh bread. Number 3, a sphere it's a round shape like a basketball or a football. A sphere and a basketball are flattened objects. So do you think this is true or wrong? When we said flat, it means something that has a flat surface. Okay, you gave me examples. For example, the table. I know my drawing is not that good, but you got the idea. So this is a flat surface. So we cannot say that a sphere or a basketball are flattened objects. So the answer is false. Number 4, many people would search frantically if their pet was lost. To search frantically means to search in a scared and weird way. So I believe that this is correct. Yes, I would search frantically if my pet is lost. Number 5, a person who muttered is most likely easy to hear. So when we said that the word muttered means spoke unclearly and in a quiet way, so the answer should be false. Number 6, an official document often needs a person's signature. That's true. Number 7, people share their ideas with each other when they brainstorm. So is it correct? Is it true or false? It is true. And number 8, an original painting is a copy of an artist's painting. When we say something is original, it means it's one of a kind, it's unique and different. So it cannot be a copy of someone's painting. So the answer is false. In this section B, this is the reading comprehension. Read the story, The Dragon Problem, to find out how someone uses a clever idea to solve a problem, from pages 22 to pages 25 from the reading writing workshop. So about the genre, how do you know this story is a fairy tale? And list one feature. So as we discussed, there are many features that can tell us if the story is fairy tale. For example, I can say that this is a fairy tale because it is based on one character who has to complete a task. The second one, who is the main character in the story? That was really obvious. That is Leong. What task does the main character have to complete? He must get rid of the dragon. Was the ending happy or sad? The ending was a happy ending. It was really happy. Why is the dragon a problem to the village? Why do you think the dragon was actually a problem to the village? Is it just because there's a dragon? No, of course not. Because the dragon used to eat buffaloes, pigs, and sometimes it used to eat people. Question number 2, why does Leong's father burst into laughter after Leong told him that he wants to marry the princess? The father started laughing. Why do you think that happened? One of you told me the answer during the Zoom. It's because they are poor and the king will not marry his daughter to Leong. Number 3, why does Leong want to find his friend Lee? They wanna what? Brainstorm ideas together. Number 4, who helped Leong with his problem? If you remember, he couldn't find Lee, but the other children helped him with his problem. And do you think brainstorming is important? Of course it is important, because when they brainstormed ideas, they found a way, Leon found a way to get rid of the dragon. Now in the vocabulary strategy we have synonyms. Synonyms, these are the meanings of unfamiliar words. So first you have the word rippling. You already gave me the answer. It means moving. The second one, alarm, it means warn, and you also gave me another answer, which is scare, and I'm going to add it here. And C, what is the meaning of massive? Massive means big, huge, and we have the word huge. Now in the comprehension skills about the sequence, complete the chart below. In the middle, what do you think happened in the middle? We say that, for example, Liang brainstormed ideas with the children and decided to build even a bigger dragon's head to scare away the real dragon. And then at the end, Liang's trick worked and he married the princess. In the phonics, read each sentence, circle the word that has a short vowel sound, and then write the word on the line. Number A, the strange bell always chimes so late. And the answer is bell. This has the short sound, and we write it on the lines. Number 2, my poor health was a good reason to stay home, and the answer is health, because it has short E sound. Health. The number 3, the tire was flat, so we needed to wait, and the answer is flat, and then we write it on the line. Number 4, I could hear the crunch of the toy falling down the stairs, and the answer is a crunch, and then we write it on the lines. Number 5, she gave the team hints so they could find the clue. The answer is hints, and then we write it on the line. And the last question is the bonus question, and you have number 1 is this one. It's official, means approved. Number 5, across, to attempt to solve a problem, is to brainstorm. Number 7, made or become flat, is flattened. Number 8, showing a kindness and good manners, is gracious. Now number 2, strong emotions because of worries, this is frantically. Number 3, we're talking about down, okay? Number 3, I have in you, or done for the first time, this is original. Number 4, not fresh, this is stale. And number 6, spoke in a clear, in a quiet here, in a quiet or unclear way, that is muttered. That is the end of our worksheet. See you soon.